When it comes to your everyday tasks and chores, you probably don't give much thought to your air ducts. To be fair, most people don't. After all, there are no moving parts, and the ducts themselves are most commonly not visible in most of your home. But while the physical condition of an air duct is not a big issue, whether you need an air duct cleaning is something that may come up because even though they are stable and unseen, they can have a significant impact on your indoor air quality. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. We do a lot to make sure our homes stay clean and cared for, but it's easy to forget about the unseen internals of your home HVAC system. Today's video is dedicated to showing you the best practices when it comes to taking care of your ducts. The biggest problem that comes from having dirty air ducts is that this poses a potential health risk to everyone in the home, and there's no way to escape that risk. Because air ducts pump air into every major room in a home from your vents, you have no choice but to breathe in that air, even if it may be contaminated. At best, dirty air ducts can mean a musty smell every time your HVAC system starts up. At worst, it may actually make people sick, thanks to contagions that may be in the dirt and dust that collect in your ducts. Fortunately, getting an air duct cleaning is not something you need too often. Under normal, ordinary circumstances, an air duct cleaning would only be required for responsible home maintenance every 3 to 5 years. But ultimately, this depends on your lifestyle. We recommend more frequent cleanings if people with respiratory conditions are experiencing more frequent reactions in the home, if you've recently renovated, or have had exterminators tell you that rodents were nesting in the ductwork. Also, if you notice a strange smell coming from your vents that wasn't there before, it's probably a good time to think about having an air duct cleaning. If you do get a cleaning and want to make sure your ducts stay clean for longer, there are definitely things you can do in the home to help. The most important is sticking to the recommended replacement schedule for your HVAC filter. Things like sweeping and vacuuming up dirt and dust more regularly reduce the chances of that dirt or pet dander getting into the ducts themselves. Clean air ducts aren't too hard to achieve in Indiana. Just take care of your home and the ducts will give you trouble-free operation for years to come. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. How long has it been since you've had your ductwork cleaned? Let us know in the comments, and let us know if you're ready for a duct cleaning. Come back again for even more from the Homeowner's Handbook.